Well, on today's episode, we're going to de-stinkify the Durango. Full interior swap, including the dash. But first, let's disconnect that battery. Mm-hmm. Sometimes they pop off nice. Sometimes you just got to get the right tool for the right job. And I generally have the right tool for the right job. Mm-hmm. Thought I was going to have to change the whole dash. Turns out all the covers come off. You saw the ordeal with the airbag there. It was not as fun as I would have liked or James would have liked, but it's done now. Okay. Hmm. You know what I see though is I'm using the wrong piece. See, just because I have the tool doesn't mean I know how to use it. The correct answer is I don't know. And that's fine. We can learn together. Because I see I need that in there. And if that came out a couple of threads, I'd probably get that back in there too. I got too tight of a seal on that piece. I put some stuff in there to lube it up. I did too good of a job. But it looks as though that little extension piece does exactly what I thought it would do. And if I would have thought far enough ahead to have any kind of a wrench to turn that, I want to pretend that it's 3/4. I'm going to pretend. In the land of make-believe. Oh. Are we in a land of make-believe? There we go. See? The right tool for the right job. I don't know why it thumbs up all the time. I'll do something stupid and it'll be a meme at some point, maybe. Now what else do I want to do? Probably going to change the ignition because that one's really wore out. Why are you putting it so far away, Ryan, when you're going to have to go outside? And it's too late for that thought, whoever just had it. I'm done there. I got door panels to do still. I need to take a minute. You take a minute too. We'll meet back here. We're just washing some bits and pieces. Got the air wand out, blowing off the dash, and cut to finished. There. Can somebody shine a light in there just for me for a sec? Okay, that is okay. Well, that was James's power box at his house. The frost heave tore it up and ripped out some wires and shorted it out and caught it on fire. On the plus side, I got my boots back. Look at them old school nails. Well, we're getting a little taste of winter out here again. Somebody's ready. He's already got his fur coat on. I have a sweater on. I just took off my coat. I was organizing a little firewood. Oh, man. You want to play with that? Okay. So as a recap, blue Durango is outside. Trailer's unloaded. Let's wander our way in here. We have to close that door because it's cold outside. All right. We have a parts Durango. I don't know how much the screen I get to be on too. I've started vacuuming out. The floor was a little wet from winter boots and snow, and I'm going to vacuum it out again and then pull that whole floor out and lay it upside down right here because I have a fan right there. It's excellent circulation right here for thawing out parts such as a tractor head. The water went down the exhaust, which is right there, and filled this up. And that one valve was open, and it started to fill up that cylinder. We caught it early. The hell does that have to do with a Fargo or a Durango? You know what? Side quests happen. I had some other stuff to do. I could put this right here. Like, it looks so good. I really want to get back on it. I don't know what to say. So, not quite as much as I wanted to show. It's going to be like 28 below here tomorrow night. So got some wood inside warming up. I got stuff to putter on in here. Oh, I'm not going to walk out and show you, but yes, I will. Hang on. And here we are. The camera hadn't been a little further away. So we have the darker dash in. It needs to be, it's been wiped down with soap and water. That's why I left a little bit of film. But there's the black dash with the wood grain surround that we're getting. We kept the 03 stereo. They hooked up different. The 01 had the ashtray, so we're incorporating that. All that still needs to be wiped down. And she needs one more final vacuum out before the carpet goes in. Lots of fun. Oh. There he goes. Man, I like having my boots back. Sure is messy in here. Hey, speaking of that, wasn't somebody supposed to clean this place up? I don't know. Till next week, tune in for the exciting conclusion.